Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to get some exciting discount or the coupon code for the Selfridges in 2025, then this video is for you. So right now I'm the official website, so some third-party website can help you to get some exciting deals and discount or promo codes in one page. So here is the first one, this couponfollow.com/site/selfridges.com, and from here you can find most updated coupon code. So here you can see some details. You can get the details about the promo codes, and this show promo code button will help you to reveal the code. Simply click on copy button to copy this whole code, and you can use it whenever you are going to purchase something from the Selfridges. And the second website is glamourmagazine.co.uk/discount codes/Selfridges, where you can also find some exciting discounts and deals. So you can simply click on this show discount, and it will show you the terms and condition. Make sure that you have followed this terms and condition here. So it will also redirect you to the designer sale page, where the sale page, that if there's any available. So here you can see it is actually available in Selfridges, where you can find the discounts. Here you can find the short prices. So the third website is the myvouchercodes.co.uk/selfridgesuk, where you can also find some exciting codes here, and you can find expiry date. Make sure that you have tried it before this expiration. So you can try one by one from these three websites and see which one actually works for you. So simply click on get reorder button, and it will show you it will give you the description what you have to do, and it will also let you go to this website where you can find this affiliate link embedded with this button, and it should give you some sign up bonus or some exciting deals. So that's how you can just do it. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.